And folks seem to have trouble determining what unbalanced current would be in the neutral when you had a three-phase system, four-wire. And so this figure 15-6A is going to show the calculation procedure to determine what the neutral load would be with the following currents that you see. The phase currents, A phase are L1, 125 amps. B phase or L2 would be 90. Phase C or L3 would be 110. Now you can see they're all unbalanced currents there in relationship to the neutral. So we want to find out what that neutral current would actually be based upon the phase amps. Now notice the grounded neutral conductor carries an unbalanced load of 30 amps in accordance with 310.15 E as in Ed 1. In our next illustration, we're going to show the formula we need to perform such calculation to see how we come up with that 30 amps.